Hey guys, this is Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And in this video, I just want to talk about the TronMoon dynamic damping protection system. This is the dynamic damping protection system, or in other words, you can call it the anti-whale protection system of the smart contract. I've received some members in my team in my Telegram channel who are telling me that they can't understand the dynamic damping protection system, and I've come in this video and I'm gonna talk about it. Remember guys, we have a Telegram channel. Strictly it is for Tron DeFi projects, and it is called Tron DeFi Battle, where we talk about all the smart contracts that we invest in, and we also have some tips that we give you guys. All you need to do is check the pinned messages or the pinned posts and be able to check out all those messages. They might be of help to you if you want to invest in the Tron smart contracts. So I'm leaving the link of this Telegram channel in the description of this video. Check it out, join the channel, and also check every message in the pinned messages. So guys, leave that alone. I want to talk about the dynamic damping protection system of the new and improved TronMoon smart contract. So to do that, I'm going to explain it using the presentation PDF. You can get it from here. Then you choose TronMoon because TronMoon compound is not yet out. So I've already opened it here and I'm going to talk about it. These are the things I'm not going to talk about it because I talked about them in the review video and also in the withdraw video that I've just made. So if you want those videos, just check my channel. You'll be able to see those videos that I've checked, that I've already made. So this is my third video of the new and improved TronMoon. So these features, I talked about them, and one of the anti-dumping protection system is the 500k TRX maximum withdraw. This is the anti-whale feature number one. We have had whales who invest in a lot of money in the smart contracts and then they withdraw everything at once, leaving members in a panic, and they start withdrawing even smaller amounts of like 20 TRX. So that panic withdrawal is the number one smart killer of smart contracts. And these guys, the developers of the TronMoon smart contract, they came up with that idea and they put a limit on the amount of TRX to withdraw every day. So that is feature number one. These are the things we are going to look at. These ones I already talked about them. These conditions, it is here, the dynamic damping protection system. So the system uses an all-time high step reference. ATH is all-time high. By increasing the contract value every 500 TRX, reference 500, it starts from 500k, 1 million, 1.5, 2 million, and so on and so on. So they go on adding 500k in intervals. So a new all-time high step reference is set. During this situation, the withdrawal limits are 500k TRX every 24 hours. So meaning that you can't withdraw a maximum of 500k every 24 hours. For example, if you have 1 million in earnings and you press the withdraw button, only 500,000 will go to your wallet, and from that 500,000 they will deduct the 35%, which goes back into your account as a new deposit. So the other 500 will remain in your account to be withdrawn the next day. So that is good for the sustainability of the contract, and I believe with what the developers of TronMoon came up is gonna make the contract sustainable for some good time. So here they said that if the contract balance goes down to the last all-time high step reference, a dynamic dead time limit is applied. I'm going to explain this, guys. So the limit is equal to 1 day every 10% decrease from the all-time high step reference. Now to explain this, they put this table here. that tries to act as a reference. Now let us take an example that the contract has got 1 million TRX, 1 million TRX today. So if the contract balance decreases by 10%, if it decreases by 10%, it will mean that the maximum number of you cannot withdraw your funds in 24 hours, it will have to increase in up to 2 days. That's why you see here 2 days. Let us do the maths here. The contract has got 1 million. Sorry guys, the contract has got 1 million. 1 million. If it decreases by 10%, 10% is 0.1 times 1 million, which is 100,000. So if it decreases by 100,000, it will mean that the contract balance will be equal to 900k TRX, and so the withdrawal time will have to be extended up to 2 days. That's what it means. So if it decreases by 20%, it will mean that the maximum number you can only withdraw after 3 days. This timer here will have to change from 24 hours, it will go to 48 hours, it will go to 36 hours, depending on how the contract is decreasing. So that feature is good because it will limit the number of withdrawals and it will allow the contract balance to grow up. And when it grows up, the days of withdrawing will have to go back to the normal days. So it goes on decreasing up to, if it decreases up to 90%, it will mean that you only have to withdraw after 10 days. For example, if you withdraw today on the 29th of July, you'll have to wait after 10 days to make another withdraw. So that is the dynamic dumping protection system. I do believe that it is going to hurt some people who want to dump into the platform, but this feature benefits most of the members, because if we are to look at the Tron scan here, most of the members they are the people who put in small deposits. So if you come within your big money and dump into the platform, and then you want to take out everything, you would have killed the smart contract. So let us look at the transactions here. I want to show you guys that most transactions are small. You can see here people have been doing withdrawals. They are taking out their money because this contract started yesterday, so it is over 24 hours. That's why you see there are many withdrawals. I want to show you the deposit. You can see 200. Most of the deposits are small, as you can see. So these small players, they will be on a disadvantage if the whales come in and dump into the platform, hence destroying it. So guys, that is the anti-whale features of this new smart contract. And here also they say that if the balance goes under the 20% of the all-time high reference, there is also a halving of the maximum withdrawal allowed, and that will become 250k TRX. Remember, the maximum you can withdraw in a day is 500k TRX. So if the contract balance goes below 20% of all-time high, then that 500k will have to be halved and it will become 250. So the whales, I don't know. This contract, I don't know. It wasn't designed for the whales. So guys, that is the dynamic dumping protection system explained. And for those of you who have not understood it, you can pause the video, you can rewind it, and then you play again. I guess you'll be able to understand it. But that is the way I understand it, and I believe that's the way this thing works. So guys, leaving my link in the description of the video. Feel free to click on my link and invest from as low as 200k TRX into the new TronMoon called the Rocket TronMoon. And always remember to invest funds you can afford to lose, guys. Don't borrow money from the bank or from any money lender and put into these things. Most of these things are high risk, and you need to play your cards very well in order to win. That's why we created this Tron DeFi battle group to help people win in smart contracts. And also make sure you always in the official Telegram channel of the smart contract so that you can follow up on everything that goes on in the smart contract. So guys, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description of the video. Click them out and join this smart contract using the funds you can afford to lose. That's it guys, see you in the next video.